That's fast, slow. Let's see what comes out. 2021 to 2017. When it comes to undesirable human behavior that specifically causes suffering and death, they are the ones who have a problem related to emotions, complexes, egos, psyche, human behavior, stage of mind, state of mind, stage of soul, state of soul. They are the con men, as Bob Marley has said. With their con plan, they are the wolves who want to eat the bread that is for the children of God, the children of Israel, to share their bread with their friends, not for a bunch of rich wolves to brag about how special they are after they snake us. All you black secret societies, you know better, using dominoes and stuff to refine your thought. I have no problem with that. But when you use it to snake people in the tradition of Apepian, Roman allies, the Greek jealous people from the Temple of Say, and every other traitor to God who doesn't know God, well then we have a problem. Brothers, I have shown you that we stick together. My Compton niggas. How many of you think that my Compton niggas wouldn't have taken my side? And every other one. I'm just, that's probably the most defined group. We're everywhere. Every race is around watching as Christians, trying to make sure they record who didn't give a Christian a fair shake, whether they're black, white, Mormon, Catholic, or any other variation of the Christian philosophy or the Abrahamic faith. We take that extra personally. 500 years of Protestant Reformation and Christian internal fighting, factional fighting, denominational controversy, theological disagreements, and other things related to Christian behavior has made us very sensitive to oppressive states, pagan secret societies, and the people who claim that they're smarter than us. When we understand them, and even with all their money and advantages, they still don't understand us, to the point where they have to make fun of our culture in a way that doesn't make sense, or we make fun of theirs in a way that is piercing, penetrating, and more than just slightly effective. Light contact, no. We lightly destroy them versus softly. A light touch versus the soft touch of a traitor. The soft lick of a serpent versus the light lick of a man of God. Fuck Rome, its variations, Roman berets, Roman philosophies, genetic engineering, social engineering, cultural disagreements that are held under wraps, culture clash, culture shock. Fuck people trying to bring us together when the ancestors said, separate the light from the dark, and fuck anyone who doesn't know that I am not bluffing, I am the top. I am Chukwuemeka. I am the top martial artist, and I'm being persecuted for my political views in a way that turns me against even pretty decent people. And how do I feel about that? Let me see. I don't like it. Thank you. Got back from Frisco, March 20th, 2017, I believe. As you can see. First of all, I'd like to congratulate the state for accomplishing nothing at all. Another Ikenga, better than the last, brand new. Beautiful, isn't it? Why is the Haru leopard using a short sword, a lightsaber, a Ikenga, a variation of a lightsaber? As you see variations of lightsabers in the movie. And who uses what variation and why? Who tries to snake someone by adding another lightsaber? And who does it the old-fashioned way? Do I have to go on and on? I have you pussies in checkmate, and we all have to suffer because you don't want to admit it, to look good for as long as you can. Grow up. Technology is also designed with JFEBs to make blacks look bad. And to downplay, wait, I've seen that dagger somewhere before. Oh yeah. So you're telling me fighting with a knife has ritual implications because of Anubis's knife. Oh, right. So Chuku was right. Oh, right.